Imagine a world when you're not just learning French, but living it. Imagine un monde où tu n'apprends pas seulement le français, mais tu le vis. Where every conversation with your boss, clients or colleagues doesn't just end with a nod and a smile, but with a spirited merci et à bientôt. Well, that is not just a dream. It's absolutely possible to develop certainly the confidence in French conversation. Es-tu prêt à parler français? Maybe it's been a fleeting thought, a someday goal. Well, today is your someday. I'm here to share my 10 most effective, perhaps surprising, tips to fluently speaking French. And trust me, some of them might just catch you off guard. Tip number 1, have fun. Amuse-toi. Yes, have fun. Learning French is an adventure filled with discoveries and enriching experiences. Let's make learning a joy, not a task. You should integrate French into your daily loves, reading novels, watching films, even cooking. Connect learning with activities you adore and watch your brain light up with joy and retention. Tip number 2, start where you are. Commence là où tu es. French, like any journey, begins with a single step. Whether you're at Bonjour, can navigate a French novel, or in complex French grammar, it's your personal journey. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and build from there. Resources abound. Find what clicks for you. Tip number 3, dedication is key. L'effort est la clé. Mastery in French demands your time and effort. There is no magical overnight fluency. Prepare to immerse yourself in new vocabulary, podcasts, and perhaps even a conversation with native speaker. Your dedication will shape your fluency. Oh, and if you wish, you can download for free a PDF summary of this episode by clicking on the link in the description. If you enter your first name and email address, you receive the mind map in your inbox. Tip number 4, be realistic and patient. Sois réaliste et patient. Fluent French won't happen overnight. Set achievable goals and celebrate every victory, no matter its size. Progress, not perfection, is our mantra. Tip number 5, remember your why. Souviens-toi de ton pourquoi. Write down why you're on this journey. Keeping your motivation visible helps you push through the tough days. Whether it's for travel, work, or the pure joy of learning, let your reason guide you. Tip number 6, consistency creates habit. La constance crée l'habitude. Carve out a little time each day for French. Consistent practice, even in small doses, makes a world of difference. Think of it as nurturing a plant. A little care each day brings vibrant life. Tip number 7, embrace confidence. Embrasse la confiance. Speaking a new language can be intimidating, but confidence grows with practice. Mistakes are not failures. They're stepping stones. Each one teaches you something valuable. And by the way, I would love to hear from you. In the comments below, share which tip, of course in French, you're excited to implement or any French phrases you've recently discovered. Tip number 8, focus on pronunciation, word linking and intonation. Concentre-toi sur la prononciation, la liaison des mots et l'intonation. To speak fluently, of course, dive into vocabulary and grammar. But you should also listen to native speakers, mimic patterns, and play with the musicality of French. Tip number 9, record and review yourself. Enregistre-toi et révise. It might feel odd at first, but it's a powerful way to see your progress, notice patterns, and refine your skills. Make it a habit and watch your fluency blossom. Last tip, tip number 10, dive in head first. Vas-y à fond. Speak, write, read, and listen as much as possible. Engage in conversations, attend francophone events, and don't be shy to seek feedback. Immersion is key to fluency. French fluency is within your grasp. La maîtrise du français est à ta portée. Stay motivated, put in the work, and practice regularly. Remember why you started this beautiful journey and enjoy every step of the way. Don't wait. Begin today, and soon you'll be conversing with ease and confidence. Alright, that's it. This episode is now over. Thank you for listening to the end. Don't forget to subscribe and to give me a thumbs up to support my work.